everybody, so we're just going to jump straight into the tutorial. I'm using the Profusion Cosmetics palette, the Confidence palette. This palette was $9.99 at Target and it has a lot of beautiful colors. So we're going to start out by using the shade Fireside. I'm going to pack that into my crease with the brush that came with the palette and then blend it out with another brush. Now I'm taking the shade Madly and I'm going to blend that from my inner corner to my outer corner and also in my crease. This is going to be a halo eye, so it's important that you make sure that you leave the middle of your eyelid blank for another shadow that we'll use later on. Now I'm going to take this brown shade called Bombshell and I'm going to use that and deepen my crease even further. The key to this look is going to be making sure that you take your time and blend. So when you see me switching out brushes, I'm not adding more products. I'm just making sure that I have an even blend and no harsh lines. Now I'm taking this shade Bites and I'm placing that in that blank space that we left in the middle of our eyelid. I'm going to take this Super Shock shadow by ColourPop in the shade Amaze, and I'm just going to use my finger to place that over top of that shade Bite. Now I'm going back in with Bombshell and also a little bit of Madly, and I'm just going to use that to blend those edges and make everything look smooth. So I did the rest of my face off camera, and now I'm going in with a smudger brush and applying those same shadows in the same order on my lower lash line with the exception of Bite and Amaze. Shade Mascot and placing that in my inner corner, and then I'll be taking a black pencil liner and putting that in my lower lash line. For my top lash line, I'm going to use a liquid liner and I'm just going to line the lash line. I'm not going to wing it out or anything. Now I'm just putting on some mascara to prepare my lashes for my falsies. I will be using the Lily lashes in the style Miami. And that will complete this holiday glam eyeshadow look. As always, thank you all for watching, and if there's anything you would like to see me complete next, just let me know. Have a happy holidays.